Omoriki omonene bw'ekiama kia ODM bosoyo kabeire omoriki omonene bw'ekiama kio EDWIN Sifuna niganyarire koba kagwa kwa Isiko ne komiti ya National Executive Council ekiama kia ODM yonekio kuomera na rituko ria rero ase county ya Mombasa ayanko bwatekana ni chimbwa chiaye echikorengana ne komiti eyo yatebire nigo chitaraba chingia koro kia chimbwa chiri chingia chiburai bw'ekiama kia ODM aseri bagari yaye goikira boniga nigo bono omokonyo ye Catherine Omanyo uyore boigo mwakilisho basubati kuro ase county ya Busia achorwe kuba omoriki omonene ntenera bw'ekiama kio goika omoriki omonene ochorirwe ase nchira ya ben
constituted organs having deliberated on matters to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator EDWIN Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect in accordance with the party constitution and applicable laws. Effectively, the Deputy Secretary General, Honorable me, yours truly, Catherine Omanyo, will act in this position until a substantive holder of the position is elected. The NEC reaffirmed ODM's commitment to democratic governance, constitutionalism, social justice, and the pursuit for a broad-based, inclusive, and reform-oriented government that reflects the will and aspirations of the Kenyan people. Issued at Mombasa this 11th day of February 2026.